So, welcome to today's vlog. Today I'll be showing you how to train your legs and why you should be training your legs. So, number one, leg training is actually essential because when you start training your legs stronger, you start to feel that you have the capability to be running, walking, jumping, and doing sports such as badminton, table tennis, golf, or any form of cycling or any form of running easier, because when your legs are stronger, you have the capability to run and push your body for longer durations of time. So second benefit is that you will start seeing that your posture is better. Back pain, if you do have a lot of back pain, it will be lesser. If you have knee pain, it will also be lesser. So you should start training your legs, because I mean, jokes aside, you don't want to be labeled as, oh, you have chicken legs, you know. So when you start training your legs in the gym, there's a few things that you want to look out for. Number one, you want to try to use machines first, maybe, because you might not have the confidence, you might not have the stability to be doing something like a free weight barbell squat. So in this video today, I've shown you 4 different exercises that I would encourage you to try to do your legs if you have them. Number one is actually a hack squat. Number 2 is actually a leg extension. Number 3 is actually a leg press that you just push with your legs. Number 4 is basically a stiff leg deadlift with a barbell. So if you might not have the same exercise in the gym, you can try to do the ones that you have. If you have the same exercises, please feel free to try and let me know how it goes. So stay tuned for the rest of the exercises.
So this is a hack squat, which I actually like to do a lot for my leg days, and I also purposely reverse bend. If you notice, there's a bend that I hinge at the top of the machine. The reason is because when you come up at the top, you bear the full weight. So I'm actually overloading the range at the top. Why would I suggest you to do a machine for squats is that maybe because if you're a beginner, you're starting out, you might not have very good stability. So you could actually try using a dumbbell squat instead to train up your stability and also your confidence in doing the actual squat. So try it out. So this is also another favorite exercise for me to train my quadriceps, which is the top part of my thigh muscle. I bend it because I want to make it really difficult at the top of the position. So you can try it out, because this current machine doesn't allow me to do so. That's why I add a bend. So this 45-degree hamstring leg press, plate loaded leg press, most of you can find it in the gym. I would highly suggest you to use it if you are not very confident to squat, because number one, there's an adjustment of the seat at the back. You can change it higher or lower, so depending on you want to train your quadriceps, which is your top part of your thigh muscle, or you want to focus a little bit in your inner thighs, outer thighs. So in this case, I'm actually doing a quad focus leg press. So if you notice, my feet is really low, and I try to push my knees past my toes because I want to train my quad. So whoever tells you that you cannot push your knees past your toes is not correct, and the person is really not sure what they're doing. So you can try this out if you want to train your quads. This is my last exercise, which I'm actually doing for my hamstrings. It's basically a stiff leg deadlift. So the key point is that you need to have a barbell, or you can do it with a dumbbell. Both are okay, because number one, free weights are better. I don't really like to do this in a Smith machine, because Smith machine kind of restricts the movement of the bar. So key point for this movement is that when you are doing it, you only want to slightly bend your legs, and you want to lock your knees, and you really want to push your butt backwards, and when you come up, you want to push your butt forward. So you want to use your hamstring and glutes to do the work. And you notice that I'm really controlling up and down.
So we've come to the end of today's episode. So today I've shown you how to do your legs and the 4 exercises that is quite essential to start and do in your leg routine. So like, share, comment if you find this useful, and also if you need help in your fitness routine in getting yourself in shape in this year. So drop me a message on Instagram, KaraDerekFitness, or you can send me an email, karaderek@gmail.com, because I'm opening up slots to train clients in town. Also, I'm opening up slots for taking online clients. So if you're interested to have a serious and structured program to improve yourself, let me know. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, train hard, stay safe. Bye bye.